Hi guys, I thought I'd show off some of the donuts I've gotten to try since moving here from Krispy Kreme. These ones are the Valentine's Day ones. These Chocomania ones have Hershey's chocolate in them. This first box was all the same kind of chocolate Hershey donuts. Something different about all of these frosted donuts I've noticed compared to Dunkin' Donuts is they start out with a glazed donut and then put frosting on them. These are the Kit Kat ones from Krispy Kreme, and I have to tell you, I like these ones even better than the Hershey's ones. Okay, bye guys.